Welcome to my channel, Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake, that is a resource monitor, assigning the resource monitor to the warehouses. Okay, here we are having three resource monitor. One resource monitor, that is RM1, is created at the account level, and another resource monitor is created and assigned for the specific warehouse, that is warehouse 3, and third resource monitor is being created and assigned for warehouse 4 and 5. Okay, here that RM1 is created and assigned at the account level. Account level means it is for all warehouses starting from warehouse 1 to warehouse 5. The rest of the two resource monitor is for the specific warehouses. Here, all warehouses are tied to the specific department. Warehouse 1 is tied to sales, 2 is marketing, and 3 is finance, and 4 is HR, and 5 is operations. So, each and every warehouse is tied to the concern to one particular department. Here, what we are going to see is we have to assign the resource monitor carefully. Otherwise, what will happen? That is the thing we are going to see here. See, here at the account level, the credit quota is 5,000. Already I told in Snowflake, billing is based on the Snowflake credits. Snowflake credits are nothing but what? Unit of measure. So for each and every resource monitor, a credit quota has been assigned. Here for RM1, 5,000 Snowflake credits assigned. 5,000 Snowflake credit has been given. That is at the account level. The rest of the warehouses, that is for the second resource monitor, 1,000, and for the third resource monitor, which is being assigned for the warehouses 4 and 5, is allocated around 2,500 what credits. Okay. Now what happens here is, have to be see, you have to listen very carefully. That consumption, okay, the consumption of the Snowflake credits. Warehouse 1 consumes around 1,500 credits. Warehouse 2, 1,500 credits. Warehouse 3, that is being monitored by the resource monitor 2, specifically by the resource monitor 2, that consumption is 500. Okay, out of 1,000, it is consumes only 500. Third one, that is assigned to the fourth and fifth warehouses, but resource monitor is 3. Third resource monitor, it has assigned around 2,500. The consumption is 1,500 only. So around some 1,000 credits is still remaining for warehouse, not for warehouses, for resource monitor. For resource monitor 2, still 500 credit is remaining. For resource monitor 1, that is overall assignment to the assigned to all the warehouses at the account level. So overall consumption is 5,000 exhausted. See, you have to be listen carefully. 1,500 for warehouse 1, 1,500 for warehouse 2, 500 for warehouse 3, and 1,500 for warehouse 4 and 5. So overall 5,000 credits. 1,500 plus 3,000, 3,500 plus 1,500, 5,000. So overall credit of 5,000 has got exhausted. So notification will be sent to the account administration and it will suspend all the warehouses. It should not be like this. So what we have to do, we have to assign one resource monitor to one warehouse so that all resources are monitored correctly. And you have to know one thing here. This resource monitor is assigned. Resource monitor 2 is for one warehouse. Resource monitor 3 is for two warehouses. This is okay, but we cannot assign two resource monitor to one warehouse. We can assign only one resource monitor to one warehouse. One resource monitor to two warehouses is possible, but we cannot assign two resource monitor to one warehouse. This is the basic thing you have to understand about the assignment of the resource monitor to the warehouses. We will see in the next topic of the Snowflake. Thanks. Bye.